In fact, construction is one of the places where robots have already begun to replace workers. Some examples are provided here. SRI Robotics developed an excavator for construction automation that can operate autonomously following pre-programmed instructions on where to dig, be controlled using video game motion controls or manually by a driver. Another example is Mod Architects that use drones to build housing prototypes. AIST, the Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, developed a humanoid construction robot that can be used on construction sites where there is a shortage of human workers. Construction robotics build automated masonry and bricklaying robots to be used on construction sites to support the on-site workforce. FBR's Hadrian X is a bricklaying robot capable of building the walls of a house in as little as a day. These are just a few of the construction robots that have been developed so far, and there will be more in the future. Follow along for more learning in news and robotics, mechatronics, augmented reality, and virtual reality.